When it comes to garage door issues, you need a team you can trust. That's where Clearwater Express garage door experts come in. Whether it's a pesky overhead door repair or a complete garage door installation, we've got you covered. Our skilled technicians ensure that every job is done safely and reliably, keeping your garage running smoothly. We pride ourselves on our quick response times and top-notch customer service. Ready to experience hassle-free garage door solutions? Visit our GMB listing or check out our website at Clearwater Express Garage Door Experts. You can also call us at 239-421-5611 to book your appointment today. Let's get your garage door back on track.